What's up, my lovers and friends? I'm not showing my face today. I got something in the mail from AliExpress, and it may be my summer look, which let's hope it works out. This is the first time that I am trying a custom made wig. I actually measured my head. So if you want to learn more, want to see that, then let me know below. Okay, here's how it came. Okay, look at that. They're giving out elastic bands. All right. Let's see. Of course, I shouldn't have opened this because I'm impatient. Alright, well, let's get to looking. A little bit more plucking needed. The ends look a little, I don't even know. Let's see if this one even fit. We gonna see. This is supposed to be 250% density. It's kind of flat. These curls are kind of flat on this side. The hair feels alright. I see they try to do a little pre-plucking. I'm gonna do some more. Right now, this is supposed to be a custom fit. I'm trying to see. Oh, well, maybe. Let me see. Right now, that's how it is. Nope. It's still kind of big. Still kind of big. Let me try it again. I like how they had this comb in the back, though. I ain't going front. Let's see if this works. Ah! It fits a lot more snug. Parting space is okay. Y'all just gonna have to stay tuned. This is gonna be a work in progress.